Class 10th, today 18th August, class 10th in your maths class. Now we will start chapter 5th. Chapter 5th is arithmetic progression. So today in this class we have to discuss introduction to arithmetic progression. Okay. First of all, what is arithmetic progression? So before we will discuss about the arithmetic progression, first we have to learn what is sequence. So the word is sequence. Sequence is a number of order of arrangement of the numbers, some few numbers. So it is a arrangement of few numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the 5 numbers and we have to arrange in a sequence. That's why 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The group of number is called a sequence because each and every number having the equal difference. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Another example like 5, 10, 15, 20. Now in this sequence there are 4 terms. The first term is 5, second term is 10, third term is 15, fourth term is 20. So each and every number is called term. This is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. So these are the 5 is first term. So to introduce with a new number, new term, that is 5 is the first term, 10 is the second term. So these are the terms. One more thing, these two are example of definite sequence. Sequence are of two types. The one, this is point 1, now come to the point 2, type of sequence. Sequence are of two types. Part 1, definite or finite sequence. And the second part, infinite sequence. Finite sequence means having definite number of terms. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is the finite sequence. Second example, 5, 10, 15 and 20 is the second finite sequence, because in these two sequence number of terms are definite. In the first example there are 5 terms. In the second example there are 4 terms. Okay. So type of sequence is finite sequence. First example. Second, infinite. Now example, for example question 1, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. अब ये डैश डैश मीन्स आगे टर्म्स आती जाएंगी 15, 18, 21, 24, बट एंड ऑफ द टर्म ये हमें नहीं मालूम. That's why this is infinite sequence. Second example, second question, like 7, 14, 21, 28 and the rest of the terms are unknown. So these two are the example of infinite sequence. Okay. So you have to learn about the sequence. What is sequence? It is a arrangement of few numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There are 5 numbers. Each number is called term. So term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. There are 5 terms. The second example, 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 4 terms. 5 is the first term, 10 is the second term. Similarly, 15 is the third term. And the last 20 is the last fourth term. So these are called terms. Now second point is types of sequence. There are two types of sequence. One is finite sequence, second infinite sequence. In finite sequence, for example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the finite sequence, because in this sequence there are only 5 terms. Second one is 5, 10, 15 and 20. It is also example of finite sequence because there is 4 terms. Now the second one is infinite sequence. For example 3, 6, 9, 12 and there are so many terms, that's why it is infinite sequence. Second 17, 7, 14, 21, 28 and rest of the terms are not given, but the sequence is not complete, that's why it is called infinite sequence. Okay, so the first term of the sequence is 3, first term of the sequence is 7 in this question. So first term always denoted by A. So first term A is 3. In this part, first term A is 7. So A means first term. Okay, so terms and sequence, do you understand? Okay, now goodbye student.